Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a legend that refuses to fade, the 2026 Nissan GT-R R35. This isn't just another year for the GT-R. It's a celebration of endurance, performance, and precision. While many expected the R35 to retire, Nissan has doubled down, refining it once more for the enthusiasts who still believe in raw, analog power in a world that's rapidly going electric. The 2026 GT-R R35 carries over the iconic shape that's defined it for nearly 2 decades, but it's far from dated. Subtle tweaks to the front and rear fascias give it a more aggressive, wind-cheating stance. The grille has been reshaped for better airflow, and new LED lighting elements sharpen the overall look. The T-Spec and Nismo editions get exclusive aerodynamic enhancements, including carbon fiber accents and revised rear diffusers that help with downforce at high speeds. Under the hood, it's the same twin-turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 that's earned its stripes over the years, but for 2026 it's been fine-tuned for even more responsiveness. The base model pushes out 565 horsepower, while the Nismo variant cranks it up to 600 horsepower. The power delivery is immediate and relentless, thanks to a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission that snaps through gears with near-instant precision. The legendary Atessa all-wheel drive system continues to provide traction and confidence in all conditions, making the GT-R just as capable on twisty backroads as it is on a track or rainy highway. Step inside, and the GT-R still feels like a driver's car. While the cabin hasn't seen a radical redesign, Nissan has focused on enhancing materials and adding subtle tech upgrades. The seats are bolstered for support during aggressive cornering, and a new infotainment interface provides smoother navigation and smartphone connectivity. It's not trying to be a luxury car. It's focused on performance, and it shows in the purposeful layout of the cockpit. On the road, the 2026 GT-R R35 is still a force to be reckoned with. Acceleration is brutal, with 0 to 60 mph in around 2.9 seconds in the Nismo trim. The exhaust note is guttural and raw, giving you that mechanical feedback that so many modern performance cars have lost. The steering is sharp, and the suspension, though firm, is remarkably composed, balancing comfort with the kind of stiffness needed for serious performance driving. What sets the GT-R apart in 2026 is its refusal to compromise. In a market where many performance cars are softening or going hybrid, the GT-R remains a celebration of internal combustion. It's a nod to those who still value precision tuning, balanced handling, and unfiltered power. This might be the final chapter for the R35, but if it is, Nissan is making sure it goes out on top. For those looking for a true driver's machine, the 2026 GT-R R35 remains one of the most thrilling options out there. It's more refined than ever, but still wild at heart. This isn't just a car. It's a legacy on wheels, and it's showing no signs of slowing down.